Okay guys, so welcome to Video Master City video channel. So today we are going to do something different. Yeah, every day is different. That's our motto. Every day is different. Think different. You'll be different. Okay, so today we are going to do something. Uh, uh, I hope you guys watched our other channel, Zaathan. It's a channel where we upload new, short movies, especially ghost stories. So we have been uploading several ghost stories for now, and we will do that continuously. And today I'm going to tell you guys how one of our visual effects were made. There are so much amazing visual effects in there. You got to you've got to check that out. So today let's take a look at this. What just happened? It just disappeared. Dude, the door! You're trapped. Yeah, it looks pretty real. Yeah. Okay, so today we are going to recreate this. No, I mean, we are going to create. We are going to. I, I'm going to tell you to how to do this thing. This is pretty easy. Don't worry. It's just super easy. You just need After Effects. That's all. Okay, let's get to the tutorial. Now, I have Adobe After Effects 2018, and now I'm going to first. You should need your footage. So let's check it out. Here we go. So there's this thing you want to do, right? So you see, these are the places where the door's going to come, right? So you must be careful to not to put any kind of object which moves in front of these spaces. Okay, or if you really have to do that, you can just put a very big, no, you just have to put a green screen there. So today, to you, I'm going to do it without the green screens. So let's start this. So don't worry, you don't have to download any kind of a image of the stone door from the internet. You can just create your own own stone door with this footage. So first of all, I'm going to make a duplicate of this. You can take the same footage to here, drag it, and drop it. So and then I'm going to find a good place that I can see the this wall. I'm so let me explain you the thing. We are going to create the stone door using these bricks over here, right? The real bricks which are on the wall. We're going to duplicate those walls animate them and add them to the places where we want, and then animate them. That's the thing we're gonna do. Okay, so now, so we have this thing, this footage here. Now I'm going to so first of all you have to find a place like this. Okay, a place with this, there's nothing in front of it, and the whole part of this wall is clear now. So I'm going to right click on this footage and go to time and freeze frame, so that frame will be freezed. So now I'm going to mask that part out. Alright, now it's right there, it's not moving, you can see that, right? It's there. So now we can move it where we want. Okay, now let's make the thing. Select this now select this freeze framed footage and drag it to here. So now what you have to do is place them where you want it. Right, adjust the mask if you want it, and then it's gonna look pretty good, right? And then you just have to make some copies of the same uh, bricks over here, the part we took from the wall. And to do that, press Ctrl plus C, and then again press Ctrl plus V. So we have our duplicate here, and we can drag it to the place where we need it to be. And here it is. Nice. There is some kind of a little mistake here. Let me just adjust that. Alright, now we just gonna need one last thing. So do the same thing, Ctrl plus C and Ctrl plus V, and then drag it to the place where you want it, and do the thing again. So you can also now adjust these places so it will match with the footage. Okay, now we have our stone door here. So I'm not going to do the other place as well, this place, because it's just gonna take some time, and you just have to do the same thing to here. Nothing's gonna change. Alright, let's start the animation. First of all, this is the place where the character is noticing that the doors are closing, and we can say this is the place where the whole door closes down. So I'm going to select both of these three walls, and then open up the transform, right? Okay, go to the place where the character, where the where you think that all of the doors will finished closing, and then select all of the you know doors, walls. Then at keyframes, check if all of these three walls have the keyframes, and then come back in time to the place where he's gonna notice, the character is gonna notice where the doors come down. So then animate the doors to go, then put the doors to up, right? Okay, here we have it. So here we have it, and you can also add some motion blur, and so you can, it looks real. Alright, now you can see here there's something that the it's like the door comes from over the wall, right, in front of the wall. It should come through the wall, so to do that we're gonna need this. Okay, we are going to duplicate this, the main footage, Control C and Control V, Control plus V, then put one of them to the top, and then mask out to the place you think that the door will cover up. So I guess it's this place, and then just mask that place out, and it's gonna look like this. See, it's great. So that's pretty much everything, and you can also pre-compose the all of it, and then you know go to the effects and present this panel here, and then open up animation presents, and then go to behaviors. So it's backgrounds, behaviors, go to behaviors, and then this drag this wiggle position to this thing, and then just go to the recompose and open up transform, then scale up a little bit, and now play it. So it's not enough. I'm going, okay, I scaled a little bit more, and it's great. Okay, so thank you guys for watching, and if you haven't subscribed it yet, please subscribe and hit the bell for more videos, and also go to this other channel as well, Zaathan, and check out the our short movies, and think different. See you guys later. Bye bye.